Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show or hide bookmarks in Brave browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Brave browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under Brave settings, select this one appearance in the left sidebar. On the right, under this one toolbar section, you will see show bookmarks option. Select the drop down menu and here you can choose this one always option that will display bookmarks always in the toolbar. You can select never to hide the toolbar permanently, hide the bookmarks in the toolbar of the Brave permanently, and you can also select this one only on the new tab page. That means when you will open a new tab, it will show bookmarks in the Brave toolbar. And in case you want to quickly enable or disable the toolbar on enable or disable bookmarks in the toolbar of Brave browser, just press Ctrl Shift plus B on the keyboard, and you can using this one key you can enable or disable bookmarks in Brave browser.